Howdy peeps and peoples, I think I got a wonderful video for y'all today, but to my expense, okay? Blackie is running like crap. Brutus has a tilt cylinder screwed up on the head. I'm all the way down to sucking hind tit. I'm running pudding. I got pudding and I'm trying to keep things moving. And this is gonna be over a week-long venture because the deal with Brutus is it's down for the count. Pudding has been neglected for a good while now. And my brake handle screwed up. I don't know this, but I got a hole in a fuel line. Throttle cable screwed up. Also have some kind of electrical problem with my kill switch that's getting me intermittent crap. Before this video's over, my adjustment screw falls out. I'm like that. Those of you loggers out there, I'm like the guy that showed up for the first day to run a chainsaw. Super stressing because I need to keep things moving and I need to get the production rolling. The guys on the other end is expecting feller bunch of production, and I'm doing good to chuck out beginner on his first day type of production. So, hope y'all like this. Back to the old school, see if I got it in me. That's gonna get old quick. I cannot win today. Alright, how do I undo this? Start there. We ain't got a new side cover in the truck, do we? There's 8 Phillips. Maybe I'll do something with that. Where the hell's his wrench at? What a fuck up, huh? Come on. Seriously? Why? That should just come right out. There's one piece of it. This has got to be holding something. I need an Allen wrench.
I don't know if there's anything in that big black one.
She bring that gray truck up, or?
He's talking about it, but I don't know.
Could just cut that f***ing band. May. I want to come on here and apologize for the language. I did get, I think, almost every single one of the bad words, or all of them, honked out. We're honking out the bad words, but I thought, you know what, as much as I'm struggling, as aggravating as I am, and as much as I try to kindergarten make this friggin' channel crap so it's all politically correct and all that good mess, I'm like, you know what, as much as I'm struggling today, son of a bucket, you know what I mean? Screw it, you know, I'm just gonna go out there on a limb. I'm gonna tell you, driver, I'm like, you know what, let's just have a real mother frickin' bidgie. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You sons of dicks, you're gonna love it. Nothing. There's a little pin underneath that thing. I got a pin in there I need to drive out. I can get that out of there. I think it'll all come apart once I do that. Let me cut on some more. Bastard. There you cocksucker. Something to go right's all we need. Just one fucking thing. And we'd be on tall cotton, Roger. Tall cotton. Cotton don't get no taller.
What do you say, everybody? Let's put 4 screws under there, everybody.
Why not? Not worth a goddamn. How you doing, Joni?
Not worth a damn.
What are we gonna do with our cylinder?
He's working on it. Don't even have availability yet.
Okay. Tore it all to hell?
Yeah, well, just finished it off. Remember this spring I had to redo it?
Yeah.
Finally got the big sand. $6 grand's what's gonna be. There.
Ann will love you for that.
Yeah, I know. Told Roger right now we don't need to be spending that kind of money, but and I can't get my saws up. I can't get nothing to go.
It's alright.
It's just a motherfucker today. Is everything better back at the mill, or have you checked in?
Everything's fine at the mill, and Ann reminded me that she didn't have a perfect plan, which she does. When she got this other...
If my fucking chainsaw would run, it would just be a miracle. Yeah, we're working on it.
He's got a hatchet. I can knock him upside the head and
Yep.
calm him down.
Yep. Might have to. Just get something to go right. We'd freaking have her, bud. And I'm also battling a bar and a chain.
Your truck's up there now.
Yeah, might have to get a chain bar out soon. But, I mean, if the production could slow down anymore, the dick with more knickknacks, we'd be better off. Just the more the merrier. All right, there's a bunch of little spring dingers and a little hoochie-doo and this thing. Put it in the console of my gray truck when you get up there.
I'll have to get a doodad.
A little,
Pin.
just throw it in the console of my gray truck, and hopefully when you get back I'll start making some kind of racket. This is the part I miss about all the chainsaw days and stuff. I love this stuff, but we're getting it with Brutus too, so Battle Man shouldn't complain. We've been getting along pretty damn good lately. I don't cut enough anymore. I need to throw this full wrap away.
You got cane in.
Yeah, I used to like it when we cut all the time, but now, when the only time you're cutting, you're really cutting in decent ground, just a big tree. It's like, well, I just liked it in shitty ground, and especially with topping and stuff like that. But now we're just, you know, things are the way they are. But we got a brakeless chainsaw. No mistakes, Roger.
No mistake.
Oh,
Better hope it ain't kicking.
no, it ain't kicking too bad. It was the other day, boy. I stuck her in a maple tree and damn, my teeth were chattered. Okay.
Let me come on here and today is while I'm editing this, it's the 15th of January. The video was shot. The footage is from the first or second week of October in 2020. So, oh yeah, what are you looking at, Roger? Roger? Oh. Poor Roger. He's my freaking babysitter. Big Mama don't pay me enough to babysit me, but I need to be babysat, so it's a good thing Roger's around. My saw. Oh, Lord Jesus. So anyways, right now, the 15th of January, today on the 15th of January, I'm actually rebuilding my saw. It's a long story. It all comes up in video. But for the next couple videos, y'all's gonna see. If y'all can stomach watching it, you'll see me go through some quite dramatic saw issues. And one time, twice, I thought I killed my saw. I mean, I'm not talking like, oh, this looks bad. I'm talking like, well, that was a good time. You know, it's over. But pudding lasts. I'll give you spoiler alert. Pudding does last. Pudding does make it. This saw has got as much determination and grit to survive as freaking I've ever seen. So towards the end of 2020, we end up, Stevie comes through and buys me a bunch of parts, cylinder, jug, piston, exhaust, muffler, carburetor, fuel line, new throttle cable.
I'll just try a chain. Hang on. I'm close. It's just cutting to the, you know, making a circle.
I don't know if it. Hey, we'll take a new one in your cup. Look.
Yeah, looks like a brand new one, don't it?
Yeah.
Ah.
I don't know either, Gabe.
Well, put in your skidder. I think I got mine fixed. I got pieces in this one. I got to cut that little ash back there. Then I'll go across, cut him across, and not bury you. Just put it on your floorboard if you can. And I'll put you multiple pieces here. If I start crybabying around, I'll put it on. I might have a fit. Look, here's what it's done. It's just going one way. Let's see if I can put some English in it.
New kill switch. Mountain springs. I think that's about it. And oh, and crank and crank rod bearings. And what I end up doing is I totally rebuilt this saw. So those of you's gonna dog on me, Puddin finally gets what Puddin's got coming, and Puddin gets rebuilt. But for the time being, this poor neglected soul is just gonna have to keep on keeping on. So I hope you enjoy this. Some of these trees out here that I get to cutting out here on this gas line, you'll see the opening. It's a gas line. We're not allowed to get it on it, and we got to cross this ditch and cut, and the skidder's not allowed to get over there. So I'm gonna have to do some swinging Dutchman. I think I do a soft Dutchman towards the end. I do some pretty cool. I pull off some pretty cool stumps and some pretty cool swings and stuff like that on these trees, but the saw's on like I almost said a bad word. Saw's on like crap, so you just have to grit your teeth and bear that. But I hope y'all like this. I'll shut up the rest of the video. Thank you.
Are you kidding me? was the wind fighting me. But it happened. Sherdine, 14. Let's go for a light 31. Shortening these up so we can get across. I don't want to fix the skidder tool last thing. When we get these 3 done, it'll be done. It'll be clean in here.
We'll have to take, we got old green up here and we got this. And then the skidder, we could get skidder up if we had to. Go ahead and get a hold of this over here.
Well, what the No adjustment. It's gone.
Still. You having a bad day, son.
Oh, I know it. I guess it's screwed all the way out.
Could be with a new chain.
No, the screw screwed out. Screw's gone.
It fell apart.
Pudding ain't brand new anymore, you know.
Annie ain't either. But Annie ain't never had nothing done to her.
All right.
Probably likes it.
Oh. All right, let's get this done. Let's get it over with.
Get these 3, and I got them 2 over there to get yet.
Yeah. All righty.
I'll get up here and
See if I can mope through these without losing my chain. Damn it, pudding. Officially run the wheels off of pudding. Let's go through with what all's wrong, may we? Brake, chain tensioner, kill switch. Doodad messed up on the air side. Muffler got a crack in it. She's running too rich. But it might be electrical. Fix my switch, see if it did it sound good to y'all that last run after I unhooked the kill switch? It's been sputtering some. God can't have nothing nice. But it's coming back to me. I feel good. I feel all right. Not out of shape like I thought it would be. But I would like for things to go a little better. Having a lot of trouble right now. But tomorrow I'll start over there, start working that hillside out. Maybe things will go a hair better. Now we got some new sprocket on there. New tension tensioner on there. I'm gonna put my brake housing back on because if I forget it in the morning, I'm gonna have to run it without a brake again. But let's be honest, it's seen better days. Mount my bar on there again. This old bar's been on there for quite some time. Probably ought to chuck it, but I think I got some life left in it. I'm pretty tight with bars, especially when they're Suji bars. I hate to get rid of them because they're so damn good. Suji's my favorite. My favorite. Oh yeah, boy. Oh yeah, boy. Feels good. Feels really good. Oh, let me grease my bearing. It looked a little dry. And also grease your tip if you like. I grease it once in a while. Probably not real necessary, but it helps your horsepower a little bit. But you don't want to grease your tip and get your chain a bucking, because it will help that thing split it open. It's not near the problem on a Suji bar as it is something else. And a lot of the rubber's going out of my mounts. Good thing with Huskies, they use a lot of springs in their mounts, so even though your rubbers are missing, you still got a lot of springs in there. These 395s are a lot stronger saw. That's one of the things I love about them so much. Now, to get this screwdriver that I lost, okay, to change this bad boy, my kill switch. These go bad in these Huskies. It's a flaw. This is a flaw in these 395s. I will say that. You do need to keep them on hand. And they'll start stuttering and stuff like that. Like a while ago, didn't want to start on me, so I unhooked it. As soon as I unhook it, fire right up. The way this switch works, it goes to your coil and it grounds out your coil wire when you turn it off. And that's what kills your saw. Or when they screw up, they ground out. Well, he ain't pretty, but he works. Do a little Tatey Todd engineering here. Alright, that's got that. Everything else is running pretty good other than looking bad. My old muffler's seen better days, but we won't kick it out of bed for eating crackers. The Husky filtering system, the air filter system. I'd use that centrifugal force to keep the particles out. Like a steel, you got to clean it out every day, or used to. I don't know about anymore, but these Huskies, you don't ever touch them. Heck, that filter probably ain't been blowed out in 2 years. Did I put that wire on? I can't remember. Yep, she's on. Alright, let's see how she goes. We used to cut all the time. Man, we wouldn't let these rims get wore down for nothing. We'd replace them all the time, keep our resistance down. Ooh, boy, look at that. Look at that, look at that, would you? Ooh, boy, now, I'm telling you. That's all gonna hurt somebody. It ain't got no brake on her. Just kidding. Nice. Well, I'm not gonna put an edge on it until I socket some wood tomorrow. This baby, as long as I got the twist out of that bar, which I think I pretty much have, this baby's ready to rock and roll now. I mean, that thing ain't pretty. You ain't gonna find a saw, or you're gonna find plenty of saws. I mean, that saw ain't pretty, but that son of a buck, let me tell you something, that thing's earned its keep now. That ain't no spring chicken, old pudding ain't. There's only one thing gonna take Puddin's place. It's a $5.95. I just gotta wait for Husky Barney to make it. As soon as Husky Barney makes it, I'm gonna put Puddin into semi-retirement. I might let you ride with me in Brutus, but I'm not gonna use you all the time. $5.95. Can't wait. It's coming. Oh, I'm nervous. Just can't wait for it. $5.95. Somebody says it's gonna be fuel injected.
Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe and hit that bell. Thanks for watching the video, and make sure to get that walkaway.com merch. Goodbye.
Bye, everybody.
We love you and see you.
He's like Demolition Man.